Okay folks, Bob here, Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. We've got music playing, so this part of the video will be non-monetized. It'll be on the house, as you will. Stove Bolt 6 in this old Chevy, 1950. Definitely not original color, but still cool. Can't help but like it. Pumpkin. Oh, we got us a Cougar over here. And it's got 3 pedals. 1967, good year. 289.
She's doubled in there.
Hand on the tire, yeah, I seen that. That's pretty cool.
Hey, we got a Henry J. Check this out, folks. All kind of autographs on it. Who are these people? I see Clay Milligan, Bob Bodie, Don Garlitz. Can't make out some of those. Akron Arlen Banky, Charlie Muldowney, Laura Shoes, 1951 Iser. Laundry bag on the back. You get going too fast. This is definitely a resting model. Got the big old wide tires. Got a little roll bar in it. You go fast. Forward powered. It's the English Ford.
That Ocean City.
Pretty cool car. Oh man, look at this beautiful boot. We may have to come out and do a separate video of this. That is beautiful. Check out the Cutlass. Look at that paint on that car, won't you? Holy cow. Sounds like a live band this time. The Yenko Stinger Vega. Big block Chevy. Oh man, it's a drag car. I like that, that's nice. Let's go check out the band, folks. See if they need a bass player.
You are my life, make me whole. Whoa, 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 my lady soul. Thank y'all so much. We're gonna give it up for our sound man, Scott. I have no idea what his last name is, but I can remember his first name because it's the same as mine. But he's working hard today, been here early and setting all this stuff up, doing a great job. So we appreciate him today. Y'all give him a big hand for the sound man. We'll give it just a second. He gave me a childproof package here. That's okay, I got it. We're good, we're good. Little childproof package on the windscreen. Carolina blue, I like that. Don, we forgot to give you one, but that's all right. We forgot to give you a microphone too. So.
Get my red one, put on his nose.
Yeah, put a red one on his nose. I like that.
Tell him about it, Scott.
Well, it's 3 o'clock in the morning, y'all, and I'm about my time. Give me 2 more, Mr. Waiter. You know I got one thing on my mind. I'm going back to Louisiana to the old girl I left behind. Now I've been to Memphis, baby, and to Kansas City too. I never met a woman who could love me like you do. I'm going back to Louisiana to that girl I left behind. Now she's my kind of woman, y'all, just my size. She knocks me out the way she looks me in the eyes. I'm going back to Louisiana to that girl I left behind. Well, now she used to live in Shreveport, but then she moved. I bet you 10 to 1 she's
All right, folks. Pretty good band. Let's get back to the car show. Okay, folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, and what we got here is got a quad cab customized Chevy truck. Oh, a great band playing in the background. I've been sitting there listening to them for about 20 minutes while I took a little break. 1966 Chevy. Tell you, another black vehicle that's clean, as straight as can be down the sides, guys. Now look at the finish on this. This is something else, folks. Yeah, that's a good band. I think he said it was the Brake Tyme Band. Alright, let's get back out of here. Check out the tonneau cover on this one, won't you, folks? And we got a Pontiac GTO here. It's a beautiful shade of gold. 4-speed. 4-speed cars at the car shows and every build, I believe. Wow, 3 deuces. Yeah, okay, it must be functional. It is. I saw the phone. Thought that was kind of odd, but it is a functional air scoop on it. 1966. Oh, the International Scout. Oh, I love this thing. Oh man, I'd love to have this. Uh-oh. Is that a little 302? There's the phone number.